Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, and now we aim to provide an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Gain insight from the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 30th of June, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.95. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 5.31%. This results in an average return of 0.48% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 21.81% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 5.21% to 40.74%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 30.99%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 3.44% to 222.21% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $11.69 and $36.41. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI features the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for SoundHound AI Incorporated Stock Price After Tuesday Trading. On the last trading day, Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, the SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price decreased by 1.31%, dropping from $11.45 to $11.30. This marks the fourth consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.21%, with a daily low of $11.14 and a daily high of $11.72. While the price has dropped in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 5.31% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also declined on the last day, which often indicates a positive sign, as volume typically follows the stock. On that day, trading volume decreased by 14 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares changing hands, amounting to approximately $330,096,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.94. Currently, the stock price is 54.76%, or $13.68, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the ticker SOUN, is navigating a turbulent landscape in the competitive voice AI sector. Recently published analyses highlight the company's ambitious global growth strategy, bolstered by key partnerships with industry giants like Tencent and NVIDIA. This collaborative momentum could potentially unlock access to a burgeoning market valued at $160 billion. However, challenges loom large, including persistent losses and fierce competition from established players like Apple and Google. Despite a remarkable surge of 1,024% in stock value in the year 2024, SoundHound's volatility has left it down approximately 55% year-to-date. Analysts express skepticism about its near-term performance, with a recent downgrade to neutral by an analyst who set a price target of $12, indicating minimal upswing potential. This cautious outlook is compounded by a high valuation, currently at 38 times its price-to-sales ratio, raising concerns among investors about SOUN's sustainability and profitability trajectory. In the short term, the stock's performance may be hampered by these bearish sentiments and ongoing competitive pressures, pushing it into a cautious trading range. Conversely, If SoundHound can achieve its goal of adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization profitability by late 2025, it might regain investor confidence and stabilize its long-term outlook. However, the execution of its growth strategy, particularly in differentiating its unique offerings, will be critical in determining whether it evolves into a significant player in the AI space or remains under pressure. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned SOUN a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright also assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. As the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $11.94. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average around $10.40. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 9, 2025, with the stock having fallen by 12.40% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 5 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.12. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 580 cents, or 5.21%. In the last week, the average daily volatility has been 8.15%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, typically due to factors outside their control. Nonetheless, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates project a loss of 6 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's delve into some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $12.29. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $11.12. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of June, 2025, Sroka Diana conducted an insider sale of 2,800 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Mohajer Kivan conducted an insider purchase of 240,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Mohajer Kivan also conducted an insider sale of 122,712 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Mohajer Kivan conducted another insider sale of 131,664 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Imami Majid conducted an insider purchase of 80,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 23.369. Overall, insiders purchased 4,791,868 shares and sold 6,912,481 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.65, reflecting a decrease of 5.76%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that this may be an opportune time to buy, as there is a fair chance for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of July, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open higher by approximately 8.67 cents, starting at $11.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.